Ok, tiếp tục đi, chữ tiếp tục. Ok, I choose
Dish.
dish. Ok,
Dish. Words start with D. Did.
now did
Doll.
Desk.
desk
Deck.
deck. And now this time to games.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Yeah, chicken.
Fantastic.
Chicken.
Nào, ngồi đàng
Choose
hoàng.
the picture that goes with the word.
No.
Try again.
No.
Try again.
No. Fantastic.
Sheep.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. No.
Is a
Good try.
now choose the correct answer.
No.
Try again.
Choose the correct answer, please.
Pig.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Is a duck.
You did it.
Duck. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
What's color of this?
Purple.
Yeah, right. Purple, right.
You did it.
Good.
Purple.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Brown.
That is right.
Very good.
Brown. Can you pick out?
In.
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
Point to me. That is right.
Right. Let's see what's the sticker. Three. It's the windmill.
Lessons to earn more stickers.
Mm. Mm. Mm.